If you are looking for a functional SUV with reliability and comfort for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in granite crystal metallic. With black headlamp bezel finish, Jeep black gloss badging, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, black daylight opening moldings, black lens tail lamps, single exhaust with brake tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, anodized gunmetal interior accents, front and rear interior LED lamps, power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3042A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.